Alright guys, now we will add some Linux hosts in each branch. These hosts will run the Zabbix agents or one of them runs Zabbix proxy on it. Okay, this is useful when you want to monitor many devices in remote sites without sending too much traffic to the main server. I mean, this is the benefit of using Zabbix proxy. I want to use a Zabbix proxy here, okay, and before it I want to add a Cisco switch here and here too. Okay, I will use 192.168.50.0/24 and here /60. 192.168.60.0/24 network for here. Connect this to switch and connect this to this host. Let me bring up this switch and host, and here come here this way, bring up this and this. Okay guys, open the R5. On R5 here IP route 0.0.0 from previous section 1.1.35.3 and on R4 14.1 here. Come here on R5 interface ETH0/0 no shot IP address 192.168.60.1 255.255.255.0. Okay guys, let me create a sub interface for this router because we want to monitor this switch too. Okay, or you can create sub interface for this router. We created sub interface in previous section when we went to monitor Cisco switch, but here make it simple and only set up IP address for LAN site for this router and set IP address for this Zabbix proxy. Come here and copy on R5 and open this Zabbix proxy. Okay, wait a little to this Linux host comes up and Ubuntu sudo su goes on root. Do we have a net plan? Yes, we have a net plan, but we do not have anything here. Cat etc net plan here. Yes, we have nano etc net plan on here. We do not need DHCP4 false, and I forget the pattern of net plan. Net plan configuration on Ubuntu 2404 for static IP addressing. Thanks to AI, and here false addresses here comes here and paste here. Only copy this $60, $100 is okay. What is the gateway? The gateway is 192.168.61. Okay. And this is the name servers. And paste here. And copy these lines and come here and paste it here, and again arrange this file okay guys. Netplan try, netplan apply, IPA, yes, the network is applied, the IP address is applied, and let's ping the default gateway. Yes, we have ping to the default gateway. Let's delete this line and come back to GNS3 here, and here open the web server here, WebSRV, but before open R4, excuse me, yes, R4 here, R4 interface ETH0/0 no shot IP ADDR 192.168.15.1 255.255.255.0. Let's apply this to this router. I mean R4 here, and then copy etc net plan here, copy this on web server Ubuntu with the appropriate password. I think I type wrong password again. I type wrong password. Give me some time. Okay, we done it. Nano /etc net plan of this. DHCP4 is false, and then paste here. $50, and this is the 50. Come here, 7D003206 proceed 72.32.32.70. Let me change this MAC address to C. Okay, and save this file. Netplan apply IPA not applied nano slash etc netplan of this. No, the name server does not apply. Copy this and here let me some time. Apply everything. Netplan apply IPA. No, not applied. ENS3 delete these two line. Netplan apply IP of A. Netplan apply gateway 4 is deprecated. Echo dollar requires match. Okay, this require this property. PA, but not again. Why? Let me change this MAC address. IP of A, not again. DHCP4 false. Addresses 15.100. Gateway, name servers, and DHCP. So let me reboot this host. And see what is going on. Wait a few minutes. Not again, not working. Sudo su wim etc netplan. I think the problem is here. This is the GNS3 bug, so don't worry. Change it with another host, and here, and change the IP address here, 5100 and 51. Okay, and power it on, and change the name to web SRV. Web SRV changed. Okay, here this is IPA. Okay, and can ping the gateway 50.1. This is okay. Give me some time. Okay, before adding any devices to this topology, let's set up or initialize the GRE tunnel between these two branches to make sure the connectivity between this site and this site is okay. Now, do you think, can I ping from this web server to Zabbix proxy, or can I reach this web server to that Zabbix proxy? I don't think so. Ping 192.168.60 out 100. You can see we do not ping from this side to this side. Okay? Okay then. Comes here. Let's initialize the GRE tunnel between this branch. Come here, and on R4, interface tunnel 0, tunnel source, serial of 2/0, tunnel destination, the public IP address of this site. Okay, what is the public IP address of this site? 1.1.35.5. Okay guys, 35.5, and on R5, interface tunnel 0, tunnel source, serial, tunnel source, tunnel source, tunnel source, serial 2/0, tunnel destination 1.1.14.4, 14.4, and we can have ping. No, when initializing a GRE tunnel, you have to set an IP address for this tunnel to show IP interface brief. This is like an interface, but this is a virtual interface. Other interface, physical interface, must have an IP address. So the tunnel, this is a virtual, must have an IP address. I select this range 172.25.1.0/24 for the tunnel IP address. Tunnel IP address network. This. Okay. So on R4, int tunnel 0 IP address 172.25.1.4 255.255.255.0, and on R5 int tunnel 0 IP address 172 25 1.5 255 255 and 0. Do ping. You can ping the other IP address of the tunnel. 0.4. Yes, you can ping it over the GRE tunnel. Now let me edit here on R4. Do show run section into tunnel 0, or do show run. Come here, come here, come here, come here, down here. Yes, this is on R5, this is on R5, and this is on R4. Do show run section. Which section? This. Said no section. This is okay on R4. R4 here. Let me copy all of this to here and come here. Now I want to run an OSPF routing protocol over this GRE tunnel to advertise this LAN router and this LAN network and this network over this GRE tunnel, or advertising using the dynamic routing protocol. Okay then, router OSPF 1 network of router OSPF 1 network of 172 on R4 25.4000 area of 0 and network of what network? The LAN network 192.168.50.1, and let me copy this, and on R4 here, R4 here. Let me clear this, and I don't need that, and he and this. Okay, and on R5 this is changed to 5 and this is changed to 60, I think. Here on R5, yes, this is done, and do right, and do right. The neighborship is okay. Now we can ping from this site to other site over the GRE tunnel. Can I capture this link? Yes, I can do it. Let me capture the one of these packets. You can see the GRE header. Okay, you can see the GRE header. This source IP and destination IP encapsulated with GRE header with this source and destination IP address. Okay guys, okay guys, okay guys. We can set up IPsec over this tunnel to make sure the packet are not sent in clear text. We will do it in the next section, but let me save this scenario. Okay, we will back in the next section and apply the IPsec over it and go to the monitoring part. And this is the whole learning. We are going from scratch. Okay, you will sense it in this course. Okay guys, See you in the next video. Goodbye.